Hi, this is Brett with Overland Expedition Specialists. Today I'm going to demonstrate our rope retainer, especially nice on a synthetic, but also works for a wire cable. I'm going to demonstrate with a tan version because it'll be easier to see, but usually they're coming in black. It's 1-inch Cordura webbing with a heavy-duty polyester outdoor thread for the UV protection, even though it won't see much UV rays. I had the winch cable all spooled out because I had to replace the electric motor on this M8000, so I figured it was a good time to make a demonstration video. So what the retainer is actually going to do for us is it wraps 3 to 6 spools or wraps around the spool, and what that does is, instead of using that little metal bolt to hold your rope onto the whole winch, with the retainer, the tension forced on it by the rope itself will keep it tight. So the easiest way to do it is to run the cable through. And if you can see, I've got the strand out here for now. We're going to run a couple of strands around the drum, feed it through, run it through again. And I'm going to go ahead and shoot for one more. So then I can pull the retainer through. And then we'll lay our wrappings over the top of the retainer, pull it tight, run the rope under again. At that point we can drop it through the loop of the retainer. And if you want and have the time, you can go ahead and feed it a little more. Pull it tight, pull it tight, push it through. So that I've actually got another wrap that then goes to the bolt hole. And I'll show you without the bolt, just holding it here. The rope, the spool is actually in free spool right now, and the rope pulling on itself keeps it snug so you don't lose that first wrap, which is critical. Another little pointer, since I had all my rope off, I gave it a little bath, let it soak, washed all the grit out, and then used a cardboard instead of laying it back in the dirt. So now I can put the bolt back in, the little retainer bolt, put some weight on it, and load my tension back up, and she's good to go. Thanks.